Girls' Day. Plus Grayson.
Let's see, I'm hanging out with you too much.
Oh my god. Aren't you Swedish? You just said something with an Italian accent. She said she's hanging out with me too much. Are you Norwegian? Are you
Swedish.
Danish?
Swedish.
Are you all Swedish?
And Irish.
You're Irish?
A little bit.
We're having a girls' day. We've got a ton of errands to do. First off, we went and got some coffee, and I got Oreo cold foam on this. I'm definitely going to be replicating that at home. Anyways, we just got to the shopping plaza. We're at Old Navy because we need to get a couple outfits for this weekend. Gray's first birthday. We need something for him to wear under his birthday outfit, and we need an outfit for Kennedy just to wear in general. We're not going to be doing vacation fits today because I don't have the capacity for that. Anyway, let's go inside. Someone really needed to nap and would not nap all morning. We just got here and got the whole squad here. Let's go. Flip-flops. Wait a minute. Okay, I actually am getting these for me. Wait, or do I need a 10? They don't have a 10. All right, I'm a 9. I'm a 9 then. They have cherries too. Oh. Okay, there's no 10s. So I'm a 9 today.
Yeah.
Okay. They have Miss Rachel at Old Navy. What? I'm coming back for a cart. Definitely need this one for Gray. 12 to 18. That's perfect. This looks so cute. This actually looks like the little Sleepy's princess print. We need that one for Kennedy. I think these are like $5. Bluey. We're gonna do that for Gray. Also for Kennedy. 2 each. Okay, wait. I actually think I'm gonna get this one for Kennedy because it's got all the characters instead of just Minnie, because she's really been loving Minnie and Mickey. I need to focus on the task at hand here, which is getting Grayson a shirt to go underneath his birthday outfit. Black t-shirt. That's a safe bet. Also gonna grab the white too. We might get birthday cake all over one. You know what I mean?
She picked it out.
Oh, honey. Okay, wait for Easter for Grayson. Is that the outfit you want? All right, let's go on to the next store. Next stop, we're at Target because Lindsay needs to get a birthday card for her mans. Slow down, ladies. I was looking at that one, actually.
Taste perfection.
Card secured. I think we got confused, but we're just in here for a card.
No, Kennedy wants to shop. Kennedy's gonna get to shop.
Okay. Hey, we're just in here to get a card. You want to go back to the car? No. She takes after her mom.
For this weekend or for Easter.
We already got outfits in Old Navy. We don't need that.
How cute. Look at the little ruffles.
She, what? Did you just call me Carissa? I've never even introduced myself. My name is Carissa. That was right on top. And now to the grocery store. I'm gonna get a basket just in case. If I was a truffle, where would I be? Oh, Dexter used to love these. Maybe the Easter Bunny will bring him some. Truffle. Great, they don't have them. At one of the registers. Last stop for St. Joseph's Day. These better be good. These better be good.